Hi friends, in this video we came with some important questions which are related to banking awareness. These questions may be asked in all the competitive exams like IBPS, SSC, banking, clerical and many other competitive exams. So now we will see the questions in detail. First question. Reverse repo rate is a rate at which RBI pays interest to commercial banks and it is linked to the repo rate, and the rate is how much percent? Options: none of the following. Second option, 1% above repo rate. Third, same as repo rate. Fourth, 1% below repo rate. Correct answer option 4, 1% below repo rate. Next, which of the following is the first commercial bank to launch mutual fund? Options: Bank of India. Option 2, Canara Bank. Third, PNB. Fourth, State Bank of India. Correct answer option 4, State Bank of India. Next, the CRR and SLR maintenance is on which of the following? Options: CASA, NDTL, total deposits, DTL. Correct answer option 2, NDTL. Next, banks in our country normally publicize that additional interest rate is allowed on retail domestic term deposits of which of the following? Options are minors, married women, senior citizens, government employees. Correct answer option 3, senior citizens. Next, the Committee on Banking Regulations and Supervisory Practices, which released the agreed framework on international convergence of capital measures and capital standards in July 1988, is popularly known as? Options: Cook's Committee, Vaz Committee, Rao Committee, Basel Committee. Correct answer option 4, Basel Committee. Next, open money market is a place for selling and buying of financial instrument by which of the following? Options: Indian government, all financial institutions, only by common bank, only by commercial bank. Correct answer option 2, all financial institutions. Next, which of the following organization or agencies has established a fund known as Investor Protection Fund? Options: Bombay Stock Exchange, RBI, Ministry of Finance, SIDBI. Correct answer is option 1, Bombay Stock Exchange. Next, which of the following is not a function of the Reserve Bank of India? Options: issuance, exchange and restructuring of currency note, exchange control functions, fiscal policy functions, monetary authority functions. Correct answer option 3, fiscal policy functions. Next, with a view of facilitate payment of balance in the deposit account to the person named by the depositor without any hassles in the event of death of the account holder, the following facility was introduced for bank account in our country. On the options: first option, indemnity; second, nomination; third option, registration; and fourth, will. Correct answer is option 2, nomination. Next, in term strips, the first letter S denotes which of the following? Options: separate, single, special, small. Correct answer is option 1, separate. Next, expand the term FRBM. Options: financial responsibility and business management, financial responsibility and budget management, fiscal responsibility and business management. Fourth, fiscal responsibility and budget management. Correct answer option 4, fiscal responsibility and budget management. Next, which is a public sector bank to issue capital to public? Options: first one, Indian Overseas Bank; second option, Syndicate Bank; third, Oriental Bank of Commerce; fourth, Punjab National Bank. Correct answer option 3, Oriental Bank of Commerce. Next, which of the following rates is not decided by the RBI? Options: reverse repo rate, prime lending rate, repo rate, bank rate. Correct answer option 2, prime lending rate. 14th, on which of the following issues IMF has supported monetary policy of India? Options: introduction of GST, stimulus for agricultural sector; third, tightening of monetary policy; fourth, concession for foreign investment. Correct answer option 3, tightening of monetary policy. Next, MICR stands for magnetic ink character recognition, magnetic ink check reader, Michigan incident crime reporting; fourth, maximum individual cancer risk. Correct answer option 1, MICR stands for magnetic ink character recognition. Next, KYC compliance is done to which of the following? Options: to identify a person, to know the address of a person, to ensure the genuineness the person's identity has mentioned in the application, and to verify the correctness of address. Fourth, concerned state government. Correct answer option 3, to ensure the genuineness the person's identity has mentioned in the application, and to verify the correctness of address. Next, structure of Basel II is based on how many pillars? Options: 4, 3, 10, 2. Correct answer is option 2, 3. Next, who can invest in a commercial paper? Options: corporate bodies registered or incorporated in India and unincorporated bodies, non-resident Indians, and foreign institutional investors. Second, all of the following. Third, banking companies. Fourth option, individuals. Correct answer is option 2, all of the following. Next, when the loan is granted for purchase of white goods, it is called. Options: business loan; option 2, consumer durable loan; option 3, white goods loan; fourth one, consumption loan. Correct answer option 2, consumer durable loan. Next, Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in which year? Options: 1955, 1945, 1950, 1949. Correct answer is option 4, 1949.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.